Assalamu alaikum. My name is Avantu, an 8th grade student here at Jawalinul Girls Madrasa. I am honored to be here today with like-minded individuals like me who are here. Me and my group developed a project which is called the piezoelectronic plate sensor power jar. This is a system that harvests mechanical pressure into electrical energy. The main component of this system is piezoelectrical transducer, which are made of special material that can take pressure, and when it bends and vibrates, it generates different types of voltage. The harvested voltage flows through the positive and negative wire. We can see here the plate sensors are connected in a series connection. So, one negative to one positive. It flows through positive and negative wire, and it goes to the connection of our breadboard. The breadboard connects the Arduino and the rechargeable battery and the LCD screen. So the energy first goes to our diode's rectifier bridge. So when it produces, it is a alternating current. We can directly use alternating current into any electronic device. So we need to convert it into direct current. So to make it a direct current, we need to pass it through a rectifier bridge, which is a group of 4 diodes. After the rectification, we still don't have enough fluctuations of ripples, so we need to pass it through a capacitor. Typically a 10 UF capacitor. The 10 UF capacitor acts like a small power bank. It restores energy for a short period of time. Then it flows through the resistor. We can see we used here a 100k ohm and 210k ohm. This resists the extra flow of our energy. Then we can see here is a transistor that is a DC547. It smoothens the flow of energy and acts as an automatic switch. Then the produced and harvested energy, which is completely renewable and sustainable, and we can store it in our rechargeable battery. That is 1800 milliampere per hour. The main system of this program is Arduino, which is a complex small computer, a microcomputer. We can see here is a USB, but we didn't connect this because if we connect this, we can use extra power from this, so we didn't connect this. And we can see here is a rectangular shaped pin, which is called the microcontroller. The microcontroller holds information and monitors our voltage. Because of this, we can see our voltage generated in the LCD screen. Like this, I can show you how it works. We can see the voltage rise here from this to this. The rechargeable battery produces 1.8 milliampere per hour, so we can monitor the voltage from Arduino. And the future use of this program is so that we can complete our blackouts. We don't have any gaps in our electric systems, and when we need it in hospitals, like when the generators are failed, the patients can go through heart-threatening problems. So when we have this extra storage of energy, we can produce it to hospital and save countless lives. And we can also use this in our flyovers like local streets, footbridges and school corridors, etc. Not only foot powers or any small mechanism, we can also produce it by motors. Like when car tires press over it, the embedded rods can generate the same voltage of electricity. It can be stored in a small power bank and it can be used in a wide range. Also, when we extend it by car, it can be widely ranged and it can be used in many sectors. Yeah, like garments and industrialization, urbanization, and it causes no harm to us. It has no side effects. It has no harmful sides. It doesn't generate any gases. It's completely renewable and sustainable, and we can maintain this. We hope to use this in future with proper and more complex technology.
Thank you.
ধন্যবাদ সুন্দর
Do you have any question? Feel free to ask, please.
I would like to know
Yes, sure.
from you your specific innovation creation. Please mention it.
Yeah, sure. Thanks for the question. I like that question. Let me tell you. In this innovation, me and my group work specifically. We put all our ideas, hard works, and teamworks. This is a critical innovative idea. We didn't use any artificial intelligence for this. This is completely our own idea. You can see we used this a series connection. We didn't take anyone's help like this. You can see the metal plates. It's like this, electrical disc. When it's pressed or vibrated or it's moved, it bends, slightly bends. Not enough to break, but enough to release enough voltage. Like this. When we press this, the atoms shift and generate voltages.
Okay.
ধন্যবাদ
Thank you your presentation. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.